Namaste Andy. Welcome to my channel, The English Class. Today, our topic is Creative Expression Biographical Sketch. This question comes under 34B. It is an optional question for letter writing and this one. Internal choice anamata. Already letter writing videos chusam. Ippudu biographical sketch, how important it is because it is a sure question. How we can write in an easy way, we are going to see in this video. Right. Format of biographical sketch. How to write the format? Let us see. Actually, for biographical sketch, hints will be given. They will give the details of that person. So, how to put that details in proper format, we will see now. We have to start with name of the person. The name of the person should be written as heading in the middle of the paper. After that, in the first paragraph, start with that person only. For example, Mahatma Gandhi. Put the heading as Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi or Mahatma Gandhi or MK Gandhi in whatever way you like. Next, you will start that Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was a. You are going to start like that. You need to start with that person's name only. After that, you have to mention the date of birth and family details. Here, family details means about his parents, about the person's parents, siblings, etc. etc. Next, coming to schooling, where that person has studied. Then, higher education. All these details will be given in your question paper for sure. Schooling is different, higher education is different. Both should be mentioned. Alright. Next, job, place of work. What job they are doing? Where is the place they are working? You need to mention them. If at all these details are given in the hints, generally they will give. Without these basic hints, we cannot write. So, automatically they will give. We need to follow this format. Okay, it will be easy when we follow it. Next, achievements. What did they achieve in that job? Okay, how good they have become. How did they become a celebrity? Generally, we write about celebrities. How did they become a celebrity? We are going to mention here in achievements. Next comes to awards and rewards. Okay, I hope we know what is the difference between award and reward. Award is a trophy, whereas reward is a trophy with cash prize. Okay, if it is mentioned, we are going to give those details also. After that, contribution to their respective field, whichever field they belong to, educational field, entrepreneur field, whichever field they belong to, based on the field, whatever contribution they have did, we are going to mention them. Finally, date of death. If the person is died, passed away, we are going to write date of death. Otherwise, no need. Okay. Now, these all details should be followed in a chronological order. That means one after the other. You can't mismatch them and write. If you write that, the format will be wrong. Okay. Now, let us see tips and tricks. How to write this format. We know the format. How to put it in application, we are going to see now. Alright. Tips and tricks to write biographical sketch. Firstly, divide the given data into 4 paragraphs. That means if they give some 12 details or 15 details, divide the details. Okay, so that first 3 details you will write in the first paragraph. Next details you are going to write in the second paragraph. Like that you need to divide. First we need to have a basic idea, basic structure, how to divide them. Okay, so first let us divide the details into 4 paragraphs. That means I will write name of the person. Next I will write date of birth, family details, and I will write schooling in first paragraph. In the second paragraph, I will continue the next 4 details. Like that, you need to divide. Next, write in 1.5 page. Very, very important for 10th class children. Do not exceed children. Please write in 1.5 page only. Very, very important. Okay. Next, ask WH questions to develop the content. అంటే WH questions పేపర్లో రాయమని కాదండి, మీ మైండ్లో WH questions వేసుకోవాలి. Where did he study? How did he study? When did he complete his graduation? When did he complete his post-graduation? You should ask the question in your mind and write the answer in your paper. That is what the meaning of ask WH questions to develop the content. You will not write questions in the paper. You will ask questions in your mind and that answer will be written in the paper. Remember that. So that your content will be extended. 1.5 page రావాలి కదా, extend అవ్వాలి కదా. So you need to write that. Next, Use simple language and short sentences. Generally, many of them I see, they write very big sentences. No need to write such big sentences. Write simple sentence, short sentences, easy to understand, easy to correct. Okay, the evaluator will feel very happy seeing your language and sentences. Automatically, you will be given full marks. Our criteria is not to lose marks. Alright, next, write quotations and give conclusion. If any suitable quotation is apt for that person, okay, you can mention a quotation, give conclusion about him. Okay, never write your opinion. Don't write your opinion. You are going to make the details into paragraphs. Do not write, I feel that this person is, in my opinion this person is. Don't do that. General conclusion should be given. And finally, do not write any information on your own. Very important point. Because I know about Kohli so much, I will write all the details in the biographical sketch. He has not given those many details for you to write. Because we know about him, we will write pages and pages. No, don't do that. Stick to 1.5 page only. Stick to the details given in the question paper only. Do not write more than that. Don't write your own information, because you might be knowing only 75% of that information. Whether it is true or not, you don't know. So do not write that. If you think that no, I know it, it is very true, I can write. No, don't do that at all. Unnecessarily don't lose marks. Okay. Now let us see one example how to write biographical sketch. Example of biographical sketch. Write a biographical sketch of APJ Abdul Kalam using the given hints. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, India's 11th President 2002-2007, born on 15th October 1931, Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. Known as Missile Man of India. Education, Aeronautical Engineering, 1958, Madras Institute of Technology. Career, Indian Space Research Organization, 1962. Achievements, Agni and Prithvi missiles. Principal Scientific Advisor to Government of India from 1990 to 2001. Prolific author, bestsellers, Wings of Fire, India 2020, A Vision for the New Millennium, Ignited Minds. Awards, Padma Bhushan, 1981, Padma Bhushan, 1990, Bharat Ratna, 1997. Personal, disciplined, hardworking and a vegetarian. Now, all these details should be found into 4 different paragraphs. I hope if these many details are given, very easy to write. Now, let us see that also, how to write in 4 paragraphs. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, we have put his name as heading. Alright, I told you now, name of the person should be heading. Next, in the first paragraph, his date of birth and all. Next, coming to his schooling, his education, higher education, his contribution, everything is written in all these 4 paragraphs. I hope you understood how to write a biographical sketch in an easy manner, how to develop the content and all. నా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే తప్పకుండా లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. పక్కన ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. అలాగే నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో ఇంకొక టాపిక్తో కలుద్దాం. Thank you.